Are you looking for the best graphic cards for Photoshop? Graphic design and photo editing have evolved from CPU-bound tasks to GPU-accelerated workflows. Photoshop and similar suites increasingly rely on GPU-accelerated rendering, real-time previews, and AI-assisted features to reduce iteration time. This comparison surveys 5 cards spanning a price band from budget to premium, focusing on how they translate to real-world photo editing, faster previews.
Product number 1. Asus TUF Gaming. Overview. The flagship in this lineup, this Asus TUF card leverages the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture with DLSS4, 12GB GDDR7 memory, and a robust 3-fan Axial Tech cooling solution. It emphasizes durability with military-grade components, a protective PCB coating, and phase-change GPU thermal pads for sustained heavy workloads. The 3.125 slot design indicates aggressive cooling and substantial air handling, while GPU guard and a rugged mounting bracket signal long-term reliability under frequent transport or bracket-stressing installations. The card ships with high-end software controls via GPU Tweak 3 for tuning and monitoring, which is valuable for Photoshop workflows where stability under long sessions matters. Performance-wise, the combination of 12GB of fast GDDR7 and a high-end cooling system should yield excellent frame pacing during large image edits, multi-monitor windows, and GPU-accelerated filters. The 2610 MHz clock boost ready and DisplayPort 2.1a/HDMI 2.1b outputs provide ample headroom for high-resolution previews and color-managed workflows across multiple displays. For Photoshop use, expect smooth panning on 4K canvases, faster raw processing, and more responsive AI-based upscaling or upsampling tools when available. Potential caveats include higher power draw and physical size. Ensure your case and power supply align with a 3.125 slot card and a robust 3x3 fan setup.
Product number 2. Q3 GeForce GT 210. Overview. A bare-bones entry card designed for basic acceleration and display output. It uses NVIDIA GeForce GT 210 with 1 to 2 GB class memory, PCIe 2.0 x16 interface, and basic HDMI VGA outputs. It targets budget-conscious users who need a simple improvement for light photo editing, such as improving window responsiveness or enabling certain GPU-accelerated UI tasks in older systems. The card is compact, low power, and claims compatibility with older Windows versions, not Windows 11, making it a straightforward upgrade for legacy builds. Performance-wise, this card will not edge into heavy Photoshop workloads or large RAW files. It's best suited for very light editing, slideshows, or color adjustments on small projects, and it may struggle with complex filters or large memory-heavy projects. The lack of modern memory bandwidth and CUDA-enabled acceleration limits real-world gains for demanding edits. Use cases include retrofitting an ITX or SFF PC with improved display outputs or enabling basic GPU tasks where a discrete GPU is preferred over integrated graphics.
Product number 3. Sapphire 11350-03-20G Pulse Overview. This Sapphire RX 9060 XT variant pairs a roomy 16GB GDDR6 memory bus with AMD RDNA 4 targeting heavy multitasking and memory-hungry workflows. The card is designed for gaming class performance, but the 16GB buffer is a meaningful asset for Photoshop users dealing with very large files, multiple layers, or 8K previews. The 128-bit memory interface and dual monitor output, 2x HDMI, 1x DisplayPort, give flexible multi-display configurations, helpful for color-critical workflows and large canvases. The Pulse OC label implies factory overclocking and a tuned cooling solution, which should help maintain stable clocks during extended sessions. In Photoshop workloads, the 16GB frame buffer helps reduce data swapping and can improve performance during RAM-intensive operations like smart object editing, high-resolution RAW processing, and complex filters. The RX 9060 XT's RDNA 4 architecture offers competitive geometry performance and efficient power use. The real-world gains depend on driver maturity and how well the software leverages AMD-specific features. Consider that, at this price tier, you're primarily paying for memory capacity and a robust cooling solution rather than bespoke Photoshop-optimized acceleration.
Product number 4. Q3 GeForce GT 730 Overview. The GT 730 based card targets compact builds with a low-profile form factor, offering 4GB DDR3 memory and multiple outputs, 2x HDMI, DP, and VGA. It emphasizes space efficiency and basic multi-monitor support in a slim chassis, making it a good fit for small form factor PCs or older systems needing a discrete GPU upgrade. Its Kepler-era architecture translates to modest performance improvements over integrated graphics, primarily benefiting simple Photoshop operations, display acceleration, and light photo editing tasks. For Photoshop users, the GT 730 is a cautious choice, adequate for light edits, color adjustments on medium-sized canvases, and basic filters, but it will struggle with heavy raw processing, large layered files, and AI-assisted features that demand more GPU power. The low power draw and quiet operation are definite wins in a compact build, but expect longer render times and limited headroom for complex workflows. This card serves as a budget-friendly entry for users with strictly space-constrained rigs.
Product number 5. GeForce GT 730 4G. Overview. Another GT 730 based option. This Glorto low-profile card emphasizes compatibility with small form factor builds and HTPC setups. It outputs dual HDMI plus VGA and uses a 4GB DDR3 frame buffer to support multiple displays. The half-height bracket ensures it fits into tight chassis, and the card targets budget-conscious users who want a discrete GPU for basic editing tasks rather than heady processing. In Photoshop workflows, expect routine display tasks and light editing, with the caveat that this card won't deliver significant acceleration for large files or advanced filters. The 600 MHz core speed and DDR3 memory are modest by modern standards, so this card is best for users who strictly need a discrete GPU in a compact build rather than speed optimizing a demanding editing pipeline.